So he online start. She's a lot of my friends were in
Like double one or
teachers. Look, we have all come. Today I'll tell you, I don't know what I told her yesterday also. To see you, I am coming. I wanted to meet her.
I am not sure.
That was my priority first, you know.
Amazing.
I simply love you for what you're doing. We all so much of energy, you know.
Yes.
But you are in this situation for another age.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, all are.
She actually came from
Madurai.
Who stays in JP Nagar? Thank you, sir.
I feel very happy and proud.
Yes, thank you.
She interacts, she connects. That doesn't happen in all classes. It's like, you know, somebody is explaining and you just need to listen. You can't ask. Yes, happens in many classes.
Many glad. Thank
There
you.
will be only one-way communication.
Oh,
There is
one
no
way.
very true, very true.
Yes. Thanks, Arti. Yes. So that's the thing. I don't want this to happen because if you have confusion, it's good to talk and plan. So that's the thing.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Yes. So then we can connect with
Now that I'm a housewife, I'm not coming out without my husband or without my children. Now I'm traveling in auto all alone.
Oh,
After a long time.
no, that's nice.
I'm doing
Very
it for
nice.
myself. I'm doing it for myself. I'm thinking, and I came here.
Wow, that's
After a long time.
long time.
I worked in an office, I was an accountant. So I saw that life also.
Yes.
I had a gap now.
Yeah, yes.
Now again I feel like I'm going back to that life.
Wow, this is
I'm
great.
feeling independent and feeling that confidence, I can do something all alone.
Yes.
It's like that.
Awesome. So happy, so nice to hear this.
So this kind of happiness will be something different.
Yeah, exactly.
After a long time we are experiencing all these things. It's a very different feeling. I never go to my friend's house also.
Yes.
I hardly have friends in Bangalore.
Oh, okay.
So I never go. So going out means dropping my shell and coming back alone
Hello. Yes.
to school. That is different.
School. Yes.
Yeah, that is different. Right? But this is for myself.
Yes.
It's like
Yes. So.
Offline is the best puja because it is interactive
Yes.
and we will come, the way we are going to get connected is also going to be very good.
Yes.
And we can share and the
Yes.
energies which we are going to share with each other, it's
Yes.
very nice. Online is like just looking at the screen, you will not get connected and that the focus also won't be there. See, today we are all talking to each other and sharing everything.
Yes.
Really.
this much time we can't.
I would side for a offline.
Offline. Yes.
Definitely.
photo. Don't forget the way you look me.
Anywhere goes.
Okay.
Okay, I was just seeking the knowledge, but I was very happy to have you from her. Like I got to meet you.
Yes, sir.
So that was very good. Like I'm very happy, and it was mind blowing session for me.
Yeah, thank you.
Whatever, like anybody can say that no, it is not useful, nothing like that.
Yes.
It is very useful,
Yes.
and we will have.
Be interesting and it will be very helpful also. So attending online, it will be like disturbing, someone is shouting, someone is calling us, we'll be doing some work. So it will be like we'll listen half and we'll leave.
Yes, yes.
And whatever we listen also will not be listening so concentrating.
Yes, yes.
So we'll forget things also.
Thank
Very.
you. Thank you.
But here we will understand things and the surrounding is also good.
Yes.
So we'll understand each concept very clearly.
Yeah.
And we'll not forget also.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Yes, yes.
Online means some of the other work will be there. Sometimes if we want to attend also, we cannot attend because of some other work.
Work.
Here at least we can see and we can come. We
Yes.
can join here.
Yeah.